Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about product and digital products. By the end of this section you will understand online value propositions, be able to assess the potential of extending your product online and spot opportunities for other products online. You will also be able to begin to assess your overall business as a result of the online opportunities. Destroy your business at .com. That's what Jack, ex-CEO of General Electric, told his managers. This implication being rethink your product before the online competition does it for you. In fact, Jack used to say that the new CEO would have to go further and recreate GE all over again. The online world offers a host of new opportunities and prompts these product related questions. The questions are: what benefits do you deliver to your customers? Can they be delivered online? What other benefits might your customers like? Can these benefits be delivered online? What is your business? Can it be delivered online? Digital products. Coach 1998 suggests companies should consider how to modify product and add digital value to customer. These are huge questions that can reshape your whole business. There is no doubt that every product or service can find some added value online. Even for soft drinks such as Pepsi and Tango, there is a shift from physical interactions to non-physical brand experience. So it's not just digital products and digital services that extend themselves into the online world, but any products from any business. Obviously, the entertainment, education, and advice services are ideal, but surprising so are complex industrial products. Witness the GE turbine optimizer, refer to it in chapter 1. In fact, the more complex a product, the more online opportunity, since there is a need to educate, train, test, install and service, most of which can be integrated online. Figure 2.3 shows how the online presence can be used to communicate the options for a complex product selection. The site visitor selects their requirements and suitable models are integrated using a rich internal application RIA. In this case, based on the technology now as Adobe Flex, which is used on Flash. While these applications can provide a compelling customer experience, care has to be taken with respect to search engine optimization (SEO), since the search engines may not reality index and link to specific product pages. Even less complex but high involvement customer purchase such as cars can be added online through mixed mode purchasing. Remember to keep asking, how can I help my customer? What information do my ideal target customers seek? How can I save customers time? How can I add value to their online experience when they visit my site? Ultimately ask, how can I help my customers? How can I excel at giving them this online? Communities of customers can be tapped into to help answer this question. This is the idea of the PROMSUM, the proactive customer who participates in the design of products and services. The product or customer experience is increasingly important online, as there is a school of thought that suggests that all products eventually become services. Kahn 2006 from Harvard Business School believed that all products become services as the after-sales markets open up new opportunities, but many organizations still treat the aftermarket services as an afterthought, perhaps because the aftermarket is deemed to be complicated or outside of the safety zone and therefore deemed to be difficult to manage. But they point out that many US organizations will generate their growth primarily from the aftermarket by added services, updates, upgrades, consultancy, installations and training. Products are consumed and created differently. Many customers want to interact with the brand and with other customers in newfound communities of spirits who want to share information, ideas, problems, challenges and solutions, and maybe even friendship. Perhaps the online need for communities is a reflection of the offline breakdown of communities. Some customers like membership privileges, exclusive areas. भाई ये होता है मेरे साथ. Chapter 4 E-customers suggests that the coach potato may only be a slow because of the absence of interactive technology, which today allows hundreds of thousands to interact with online programmers. As demonstrated by BB's new guidelines for new programmers. Find, place, share. Find embeds distribution at place, ensuring viewers can find the content easily. Play means the product itself, and share combines product with promotion and distribution, as programmers and their communities of interest are nurtured to extend the product experience online, to talk to each other, to tell each other, and ensure relevant people can access it whether they. Although this is for digital products, this fresh approach for a product brief may extend into many other non-digital products.